Hello everyone, I Shilpa Bhandari, Faculty of MBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic team compensation. So let's first understand what is team compensation. So this team compensation is a way of rewarding performance in team settings. That is, individuals are rewarded based on the performance of the team as opposed to the individual performance. So there are different kinds of compensation such as the portion of base pay, other financial rewards such as gain sharing, and non-financial rewards such as movie passes and gift certificates. Teams are defined as groups of individuals who work together to develop products or deliver services for which they are mutually accountable. So because of this new shift in organizational structure, organizations have been used teams more and more to carry out the different functions in the asked to work with others, and their collective performance is then evaluated. Traditionally, employees have been compensated based on their individual performance, but now they are being evaluated based on how their teams perform. So therefore, it does not seem to make much sense. Traditionally, employees have been compensated based on their individual performance, but now they are being evaluated based on how their team performs. Therefore, it does not seem to make much sense to compensate employees individually based on how their whole team performs. So therefore, organizations are moving toward compensating employees based on the team performance. Thus, team compensation is a way of rewarding performance in team setting. That is, individuals are rewarded based on the performance of the teams. So now let's understand the different incentive programs for team. So based on the same, we have goal-based rewards, merit-based rewards, gain sharing, profit sharing, and discretionary rewards. So with more businesses than ever moving toward team-based work structures, team-based rewards program have become essential. So these types of incentive plans are often performance focused and can be either monetary or non-monetary. But the overall goal is to encourage a team participation and productivity. So while there are many different types of team-based incentive programs, the following plans are among the best. So number one is goal-based reward. Some of the most popular team-based reward programs involves goal-based rewards. So these types of incentive programs reward teams only when they reach a present goal. So these can be either short-term or long-term goals and can include such things as reaching an established amount of sales, securing a particular number of contracts within a certain time frame, or reducing waste by a set of percentage within a predetermined amount of time. Goal-based rewards programs are highly effective in encouraging the teamwork, motivation, and efforts. So next is merit-based rewards. So unlike goal-based incentive programs that reward teams when they reach a certain goal, merit-based programs reward teams for putting forth exceptional effort. So these type of team-based reward programs are a bit subjective in the sense that managers or the supervisors determine whether or not teams are deserving of a reward or not. As stated in an article posted by Forbes, ambiguity is never good when it comes to team-based incentive programs. There should be clear guidelines as to what constitute exceptional behavior and engagement. So number third is the gain sharing. Gain sharing is a type of team-based reward program that rewards team for measurable accomplishment in non-financial areas. So example of this can be a bonus given to a team for increasing levels of customer satisfaction by certain percentage from one year to the next. Another example of this type of program is a bonus given to a team for improving the essential shopping or receiving procedure. So the goal of the gain sharing program is motivating a team to improve various areas of the business operations. Number fourth is the profit sharing. So profit sharing reward programs are similar to the gain sharing programs in that they provide team-based rewards to team for exhibiting the exceptional behavior. The difference between these two programs is that while gain sharing programs offer bonuses to team members, profit sharing programs pay them a certain percentage of the company's overall profit. So profit sharing plans encourage high level of team performance, which can ultimately increase a company's success. Next is the discretionary rewards. So sometimes referred to as a post rewards, team-based discretionary rewards are given to team members based on team performance and outcomes. So while these rewards program may sound very similar to some of the programs discussed, rewards given in discretionary programs are not dependent on the predetermined goal. Much like merit-based rewards programs, managers or the supervisor decides whether or not a team is deserving of a discretionary reward. So here we are done with the lecture. I hope you understood about the team compensation. Thank you so much.